He started talking about Singapore, and as soon as he said that, I said we must record it.
टेक्नोलॉजी की अगर हम बात करें तो एशिया में आई थिंक दैट्स दी हब. ये इन्वेस्टमेंट भी इज मोर वाइब्रेंट, lot more energy compared to many other parts of the world.
Seeing the shift of this power going from these countries shifting towards the east.
So we have quite a sizable companies in Thailand, Malaysia और Bangladesh in particular, जिसके अंदर we need to really prepare those companies for future. जिसमें AI is such one thing. There's a lot of focus on IT transformation, digitization as well.
Then how easy it is to start a business in Singapore?
If there's one hotspot, I mean, I would say that's Singapore. Fintech जो लंदन में एक ज़माने में बहुत promising और होता था, I would say कि Singapore is even more happening than London in terms of fintech space.
अगर startups ने funding लेनी हो, I think there is one guy I know, Orbit Ventures, Ben Williams. So he is quite active, working in Pakistan as well.
Right. So they're looking at opportunities beyond more developed Asia.
How did you find Singapore in terms of their phenomenal growth in the last 25-30 years?
Then the public sector itself, they employ the best.
What's the highlight of your trip this time in London?
It's always good to, because I also studied here.
Assalamu alaikum, Alisha here. So look whom I found here in London, sitting in a park in Russell Square. So I was having my late lunch and having a conference call as well. Assalamu alaikum, Irfan. कैसे हैं आप?
Walaikum salam. Very good.
Great to see you. And what a coincidence! I thought it is mandatory कि अब हम एक छोटा सा गपशप लगाएं. और he started talking about Singapore, and as soon as he said that, I said we must record it. So here we are, and we're gonna have a quick 5 minutes catch up with Irfan, because he's gonna go somewhere for a meeting after this. So how long have you been here?
So I was actually on holidays in Europe.
Okay.
So came back few days back, and I'm here the next couple of days. और उसके बाद इंशाल्लाह सिंगापुर यहाँ से.
Excellent. So how's life in Singapore? We are meeting after you moved to Singapore from Pakistan. So how are things over there?
Again, Singapore is an easy place. First of all, it's very predictable,
Right.
So that's a different from Pakistan.
Right.
There's also a melting pot from a cultural viewpoint, but especially technology की अगर हम बात करें तो एशिया में I think that's the hub, definitely. Financial services, banking, so and you can say entrepreneurship and innovation. So it's quite impressive their journey, or they're able to actually put a very forward-looking national policy and able to implement on it. So it's one of the best places, to be honest. अभी यूरोप से आ रहा हूँ और मेरे कई दोस्तों से मुलाकात भी वहाँ पर. When we see it के systems के point of view से और वो सारा, तो actually Asia या ASEAN के जो region है, that is really growing, and you can see कि investment भी is more vibrant, lot more energy compared to many other parts of the world. So that's in particular quite a promising thing about Singapore, I would say.
That's exciting, and I was also of this view. I was seeing this shift of this power going from these countries shifting towards the east, and you've just confirmed my own understanding कि यहाँ पे जो लोग हैं वो गरीब होते जा रहे हैं, इवन चोरियां चकारियां बढ़ रही हैं. आपको पता है मैंने पिछले दिनों एक वीडियो बनाई था जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था. सो इरफान, ये बताएं कि टेलीकॉम को आप कैसे देखते हैं, और अभी आपका क्या रोल है भाई वहाँ पे टेलेनॉर में?
So टेलेनॉर का सिंगापुर में हमारा जो एशिया का रीजनल हेडक्वार्टर कह लें आप उसको. So it's my role is actually heading the portfolio in Asia. So we have quite a sizable companies in Thailand, Malaysia or Bangladesh in particular. So Thailand and Malaysia is like over $10 billion each market cap. Thailand is $6-7 billion top line revenue. So the idea is to be a lot more strategic and setting the direction as an owner of those assets, or co-owner rather, because we don't own them 100%. We are one of the owners because we try to merge and create bigger companies. So board के जरिए हम कैसे direction set करते हैं, कौन से niche areas हैं जिसके अंदर we need to really prepare those companies for future, जिसमें AI is such one thing. There's a lot of focus on IT transformation, digitization as well. So that's the role. I really enjoy it because it's not really day-to-day operational, but more strategic. उसके साथ साथ पाकिस्तान is also part of Asia. जब तक sale conclude नहीं हो जाती, and then Easy Paisa, which I'm heading as a chair, is always exciting because mashallah is doing quite well.
Excellent. In terms of innovation, you mentioned startups and entrepreneurship over there. How easy it is to start a business in Singapore?
I would say it's very easy, right? So everything is digitized from a policy framework viewpoint, from a ease of doing business. Rankings की reason होती है when you look at those countries. I mean, they're really very high up in the ranking. So it's quite seamless and frictionless, if I may say. दूसरा ये है कि capital भी available है. I'm talking about relative terms के अंदर Asia में, if there's one hotspot, I mean, I would say that's Singapore. उसके अलावा the whole ecosystem is quite enterprising. So definitely हम लोगों का, if I just say कि ज़्यादा रुझान as Pakistanis रहा है कि जो हमारा जो travel corridor भी, I mean, पाकिस्तान से निकलती है तो maybe Dubai and then London and US, Valley कह लें. Valley is obviously definitely exceptional, but बाकी जो even fintech जो लंदन में एक ज़माने में बहुत promising और होता था, I would say कि Singapore is even more happening than London in terms of fintech space.
Excellent. और अगर startups ने funding लेनी हो, I think there is one guy I know, Orbit Ventures, Ben Williams. So he is quite active, working in Pakistan as well, operating from Singapore. Are there similar other VCs that I think startups should target from Pakistan who are operating from Singapore?
There's a whole lot of them. Frontier market focus है.
Right.
So they're looking at opportunities beyond more developed Asia, अगर हम उसको कहें. So emerging Asia के अंदर obviously there are funds as well, private equity funds who have allocated money for emerging sectors and also in frontier markets. So yes, we are facing बहुत से issues हैं हमारे perception के और सब चीजें, but actually those people over there as investors, as VC funds, they still do understand Pakistan much better than say people sitting only in the West.
All right. And one thing about Singapore, when you moved over there, how did you find Singapore in terms of their phenomenal growth in the last 25-30 years? आपका क्या impression रहा जब आप वहाँ
गए? उसकी वजह जो impression तो खैर I've been there quite often as a traveler, as a visitor, क्योंकि चक्कर तो लगता रहता था, लेकिन जब रहना and then you see it from inside out. So I would say a few things which really stand out. सबसे पहले तो consistency of policies. Leak One की वजह से जो consistent stability मिली. Then the public sector itself, they employ the best. और अगर आपको मैं ये बताऊं कि public sector की जो लोग हैं, जो उनकी capability है, and then they actually pay them better than the private sectors as well. Then other factor is the role of every citizen, right? Especially female. अगर हम बात करते हैं पाकिस्तान की, तो हमारे यहाँ तकरीबन 51% फीमेल पॉपुलेशन 18% जीडीपी में कंट्रीब्यूट करती है. सिंगापुर में 51%, कम से कम 51% कंट्रीब्यूट कर रही है. So everyone is contributing. So I think education, consistent policies, and then stability, जिसकी वजह से capital भी आ रहा है, human capital भी आ रहा है, और countries benefiting.
Excellent. And how long are you here for in London? And what's the highlight of your trip this time in London and in Europe this time?
So जैसे मैंने कहा, I was in Europe for about a week, एक हफ्ता UK के अंदर. No, it's always good to, because I also studied here. It's also good to be back and meet people. And I worked here as well. I was working for Orange जब मैंने शुरू किया अपना career UK से. So it's always, exciting. Again, it's also a very diverse place. Opportunities are there as well, but maybe not as amazing as they are in other parts of the world. लेकिन ये है कि from inspiration viewpoint for meeting and getting ideas, this is still a phenomenal place.
Awesome. And lastly, you've just given me a surprise that you have lived here. You've studied from here. From where did you study, by the way?
I did my master's from London, actually, University of Westminster.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Not too far from where we're sitting today.
Exactly.
So I used to live here.
It's home to you. So thank you so much, Irfan. Pleasure seeing you, and what a lovely surprise. And wishing you a safe flight and pleasant stay here, and onwards safe flight to Singapore. See you around soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.